Hi, my name is Bushra Imev. Welcome to another episode of Synergy Speaks. Today I have a very special guest, Matt Verhoevac. Matt is the planning, design, and chairside specialist here at Navigation Precision Guidance.
Thank you, Bushra. I have to say I'm really happy to have you on our team.
Happy to be here.
As you know, Navigation started more than 5 years ago. We've been able to help hundreds of clinicians across the U.S. successfully complete these large and often complex cases.
All right, so my first question for you, Matt, is with so many options and choices available on the market, what would you say is the biggest advantage in using our navigation system?
There's so many advantages, but first and foremost, I would say that it's really our highly qualified and friendly team. We're a small company, and making our surgeons feel like family is very important to us. Secondly, having a very efficient surgical solution with thousands of successful surgeries gives us the confidence to assist our clinicians in finding the best surgical and restorative solution for each and every individual patient.
I know you have personally been chairside, assisting with surgeries for many years. What would you say is the importance of offering this chairside service?
I will say that the efficiency of our Synergy system lies in its simplicity.
Okay.
Most of our surgeons experience greatly reduced surgical times because of that.
Yeah.
The chairside assistance is not always necessary, but having a navigation specialist chairside for the first surgery helps our surgeons find their feet while learning the workflow.
I couldn't agree more. How would you define our system to a new user?
When we decided on a name for our surgical solution, we were looking for something that would explain our system, and the word became Synergy.
Okay.
It was by far our first choice. The importance of a diagnostically driven chairside conversion creates a valuable link between the surgery and the final delivery. No patient has ever commented on how beautifully the implants were placed.
Yeah.
And even though placement is where it all starts, having the ability to deliver world-class restorations on those implants and helping our restorative doctors do this predictably defines the true value of our navigation solutions.
Well, Matt, thank you for joining me for another episode of Synergy Speaks. How can the surgeons get in touch with you?
They can contact me through our website, navigation.net, or call me at 1-844-NAVIGAT, 628-2428.
All right, well, thanks again, Matt. And remember, it's not just a surgery.
It's a smile Synergy.